soft music playing everywhere. 2 glasses of wine, we're feeling fine. Your hand in mine, everything divine. Head on your arm, heartbeat strong. Thought this night can't go wrong. Your eyes looking deep in mine. Girl, I thought this was the sign. Romance rising, temperature high. I'm ready for love tonight. Then you whisper soft and slow, baby. I said, oh no. You look at me like a movie scene, sweetest smile I've ever seen. But instead of love and harmony, you say something suddenly. Daru Grog, girl, you almost broke my heart. From candlelight to turn-on start, I was ready for romance spark. Now we mixing grog in the dark. Pause, rewind, what did you say? This was supposed to be our Valentine's Day. I thought we going deeper tonight, but now you asking for carver light. You say relax, baby, don't be mad. We're all together, ain't that bad. Romance sweet, but grog is life. Future husband, future wife. Now I'm confused but smiling too, because that's why I fell for you. Island girl with island ways, switching moods in funny ways. Daru Grog, girl, you play too much. I was thinking candle touch, now I'm reaching for the coconut cup. Mix it strong, fill it up. From romance mode to village vibe, that's my island Valentine. Love is sweet, but grog is stronger. Guess we'll romance a little longer. Your hands of love and grog go hand in hand. From hotel room to village yard, island love hits twice as hard. Daru Grog, girl, you funny but I stay, because loving you this way is better than roses any day. Valentines can keep the wine. Give me you and that Tano shine. Island love, we never fade. Romance after one more mix we make. Daru